All right, our games on Tuesday here at the Ninoy Aquino Stadium. 2 p.m. it's the Philippine Navy against Ateneo de Manila. 4 p.m. it's Sandugo versus CVS, and FEU against Army at 6 p.m. 3 games on Tuesday, and let me turn you over now to Rina Villamor for a courtside report.
Yes, I must say that in times of calamity, just like the recently concluded flooding here in the Philippines, these two teams have really proven out to be as the primary defense of the country. They have been rescuers of the victim, but in today's ball game, they will only rescue their team as they are sent out here for a hard court mission. As for the Philippine Navy, their mission here as a team is to gel first, considering that most of their players are new faces in the Shakey's B-League. And speaking of new faces, let's get to know more about Cheryl Laborte, the younger sister of Mick Mick, who plays as libero to the team. The 29-year-old mom is not new in the field of volleyball, as she has experiences in playing for the Petron Beach Volleyball and other provincial tournaments. She also used to be an assistant coach for the Miriam College sometime 6 years ago. And she said that it's really a pressure coming here in the Shakey's B-League, lalo na lahat ng mga mata ng tao ay mapupunta sa kanya because her sister is not playing. Now, Mick Mick supports her by saying na, Rina, alam mo kung mas matangkad lang yan si Cheryl sa akin, mas magaling pa yan sa akin. Back to you guys.
Thank you, Rina. And we are definitely going to get to know more about these new faces that we're seeing here in the second conference, and one of them is of course the younger Laborte, and a beach volleyball player, also does some coaching, does help the coaching chores for the Miriam College, so a good mix of veteran players and young players for the Philippine Navy.
Poor reception resulting to poor setup as well for the Philippine Army. And ito kanina, ang laki ng lamang ng Philippine Army.
Now it's down to a single point as the service of the Navy giving a lot of problems. And as I say that, service error there from that's Daphne Mata of the Philippine Navy.
Alarca now getting ready to serve. Poor reception there on the part of the Philippine Navy. Alarca again for her second serve. Rosales through the block.
That was a good play right there, but Rosales just missed the line a couple of inches. 12 to 8, 4-point lead for the defending champions, the Philippine Army. Mikasa, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Oh, good serve from Jack. Di na inantay yung 16. Philippine Navy calling their first timeout. They're down by 5. Let's listen in.
Ano, siya kaya mag-forward. Siguro ka doon banda. Bigyan siya. Bigyan siya ng space. Ha? Bigyan siya ng space. Tulong ka sa short ball. Sige. Kailangan natin ng first shot. Itaas niya lang. Iangat lang, angat lang. Itaas niya lang. Kanina mo. Ha? Sige, okay. Pitikin mo dahil sa gitna dahil. Pwede dahil. Ako naman yung kamay mo. Isa-isahin natin yan. Isa-isahin natin yan. Habulin natin ha. Habol tayo. First shot. Tulong tayo sa receive. Receive na. Navy!
FEU Makati, the newest campus of Far Eastern University, is now accepting enrollees in the following degree programs: Accountancy, Accounting Technology, Information Technology, and Business Administration. For more info, call 836-2002 or visit www.fu.edu.ph. 13 to 8, 5-point lead for the Army. Good serve. Ganda.
Pero during the huddle, no, sabi lang niya, Coach Nene sa team niya, isa-isahin lang naman nga nila. And if you look at the stats at this point, it's not an impossible task for the Philippine Navy to do. In terms of attacks, halos sumasabay rin naman sila sa Philippine Army at 5 and 4 points for the Philippine Army. So mas lamang pa sila ng isa. Ang naging problema nila, tama ka, it's the service reception.
Like this, during Jack Alarca serve, those are 3 service aces right there for Jack Alarca. 3 straight points from the service area from the De La Salle veteran, Jack Alarca. This time a better reception from the Navy, and Quitero Sale avoiding the block with that dump.
Well, she knew it. Nobody was behind the blockers. No coverage was there.
Yeah, Tina Salak was supposed to
Cover.
move in. Ooh!
She offsets that point with a service error.
Second technical timeout. Again, a huge lead, 7 points for the Philippine Army. We'll be right back.